Hi, hello. Welcome to the beauty of the mystical miracle garden situated in the heart of the desert where natural water is scarce. Before describing the beauty, I wish all of you a prosperous and happy new year. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the videos with others. We truly value your likes and comments, and so we would love to hear from you. The Miracle Garden, launched on Valentine's Day in 2013, is regarded as Dubai's paradise and has attracted millions of people from around the world. Since its grand opening, the central attraction has been the Emirates Airbus covered with white flowers, and this botanical wonder won the Guinness World Record for the world's largest floral sculpture in 2016. Lake Park, showcasing a seamless blend of water and flowers, is the second major attraction of Miracle Garden. Flowers and plants including petunia, sunflower, geranium, marigold, coleus, snapdragon, sweet potato vine are used and arranged in vertical and horizontal landscaping designs. Thanks for watching, and please watch our upcoming videos.